Green tea is a popular beverage all around the world. It is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. Unlike black tea, green tea undergoes minimal oxidation during processing, preserving its natural compounds and health-promoting properties. Green tea is packed with bioactive compounds, including polyphenols such as catechins and flavonoids, as well as caffeine and various vitamins and minerals. These compounds contribute to green tea's potent antioxidant and health-boosting effects. So, let's see 5 proven health benefits of green tea. Number 1. Green tea is an antioxidant powerhouse. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins like epigallocatech and gallate, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, cardiovascular disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Number 2. Green tea promotes your heart health. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to improved heart health. The catechins in green tea help lower levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, while also promoting the dilation of blood vessels, which supports healthy blood flow and reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 3. Green tea aids in weight management. Green tea is often touted as a natural aid for weight management. The combination of caffeine and catechins in green tea has been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat oxidation, leading to enhanced calorie burning and potentially aiding in weight loss efforts when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Number 4. Green tea boosts your brain health. Green tea contains caffeine and L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and mental alertness. Together, these compounds have synergistic effects on brain function, improving mood, focus, and cognitive performance. Regular consumption of green tea may also help protect against age-related cognitive decline and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Number 5. Skin health and anti-aging effects. The antioxidant properties of green tea extend to its benefits for skin health and anti-aging. Green tea polyphenols help protect the skin from UV damage, reduce inflammation, and promote collagen synthesis, leading to improved skin elasticity, hydration, and a reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Drinking green tea or applying green tea extracts topically can help maintain youthful, radiant skin,